on the road again, watching the sunset. We are just shy of 15 k's from Grahamstown. Come out of Bathurst. Isn't this beautiful? There's butterflies flying around me, coming. And isn't that sunset beautiful? There's a car passing me behind. Taz and Lingo down there standing on the road. What a day, guys. We did some beautiful things. We witnessed some beautiful wildlife. We watched the ocean. We went to Kenton-on-Sea, to the river. And now we're standing in the wild, on a road, outside of town, watching a magnificent sunset. And it's a beautiful day. The eyelids of night are about to come. Tick, tock, clock, stop. Just let it disappear. Go behind the mountain. And you can welcome the night.
RollingStoner, open your road, let your mind follow. RollingStoner, let's sing this dance, this red
Just like us. Don't just share us.